This is the best time to enjoy Rajasthani Kadhi Dhokla with all in-season winter veggies. Back home, my mom makes so many different kind of dhoklas. This is one of them. To make the kadhi, we will whisk together yogurt, besan until really smooth. Then add in water and spices and ensure there is no lumps in the mixture. एक पैन में हम घी हीट करेंगे और उसमें डालेंगे हम whole spices, curry leaves, aromatics और हमारा बेसन and yogurt का mixture. Add some water to adjust the consistency and let this simmer. For the dhoklas, we will add in atta, bajra, suji to get a coarse texture. All of our spices, in goes some oil and give this a gentle mix. अब हम ऐड करेंगे soaked moong dal, aromatics, in-season veggies, some baking soda for the softness, add in some yogurt and use your hand to help this come together. We have to make a medium firm dough. Cover and let the dough rest before shaping them into dhoklas using your oiled hands. And now we will steam our dhoklas at least for 20 to 25 minutes. Let's finish off our curry with some garlic and red chili tadka and some dhania on top. Top the dhoklas with some generous drizzle of ghee and these are ready to be served. Pair it with some garlic chutney, green chutney, papad for the crunch, and this is comfort in a bowl. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.